Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound on the Mortal Kombat game. So let's get started right away. If you already have the Mortal Kombat game installed on your device, then go ahead and open it up first. Once you open it, it will take some time to load. So wait until it is fully loaded, and once it is, and after you have completed the tutorial, you will be taken into your home screen. Now, right from the home screen, you will be able to find the settings button at the bottom left corner. You can turn off the game sounds from the settings page as well, but if you simply want to turn off the sound for some time, then I would suggest that you use the volume tab from your phone to turn the volume off or on. This can be a great way to turn the volume on or off without meddling with the settings screen. However, if you want the sound to be tweaked for all times within the game, then tap on the settings option, and then from the settings page you will be able to find the music, sound effects, and the voice volume as well. You can simply turn on the sliders to the left or right to adjust according to your preference. And after you have set up your desired level, you can simply go back and the settings will be applied. And now when you play your game, the volume settings that you just selected will be applied to the entire game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds on the Mortal Kombat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.